Don't touch that dog.
Well, we got to do something with the dog. All right?
Yep. I mean, if you want to do that, I mean,
so
if you guys want to have an issue,
so it's up
that's
to you.
fine.
So, because if you come back to the station with me...
Well, I'm right here in my house.
You're not in your house, okay?
What?
You're not in your house.
No, I didn't say that I was
That's
in
what
my
you
house.
said.
No, I did not say. No,
said
I
twice.
did not.
Okay.
I said I'm here at my house.
Agree to disagree.
God damn. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? I mean,
You want to do some field sobriety
I'm
testing
right here.
or not?
I'm right here. God damn you guys.
You want to do some field sobriety testing or not?
No,
No?
I'm not going to do anything.
Okay.
Do you guys want to...
Wilmette, Illinois. A scooter rider on Sheridan Road called in a hit and run with a plate number. Officers traced it to a residence. The car pulled into the driveway just as police arrived. The driver had a golden retriever and strong opinions. He also smelled of alcohol. Within 60 seconds, he denied hitting anyone, then described being chased by the person he hit. That contradiction is on camera. It will be in the report.
How you doing?
I'm great.
You're great? Oh, we got a report that you struck somebody on a scooter.
I didn't hit anyone.
Well,
Max is here.
Well, they have your license plate, so... On Sheridan Road? Where are you coming from?
What, from him swimming.
At the dog beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
The
a guy chased me, right? He chased me, and he hit my car. So
you just said no one. There was no. You didn't hit anybody or nothing.
I didn't.
And now you're telling me
he hit me.
That would have been a great.
Come on.
That would have been a great
Come
story
on.
to start with.
I'm not a guy that does things like that. So
I wasn't there. I don't know.
Do you want to go inside and have a cup of coffee?
No. I just got to see if the other officer needs to talk with you or not. Okay.
Jesus goddamn fucking
Sorry.
Christ, you guys. It's just amazing. I mean, look at my dog. He's just right here.
Yeah. How come you didn't pull in your driveway?
Because I go around and then I pull in. That's how everybody does it here.
How much have you had to drink?
Nothing.
I smell alcohol on you.
That's great. That's great that you do that. That's the first thing.
I'm 2 feet away from you, sir.
That's the first thing that you guys all do. So, oh my God, do you want to talk to 30 people around here about my reputation?
No.
Do you want because I pay your everything, and so what do you want to do?
Well,
I'm just right here.
Well, I'm concerned that you're driving drunk right now.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Okay.
So,
well, I saw you driving. I smell alcohol in your breath. Your eyes are super glassy. So you're saying you had zero?
That's what. Yes, I am saying that.
So if you take a breath test, you're going to have zero.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
625 Illinois compiled statutes. 5/11-401. Leaving the scene of an accident. Every driver involved in a collision causing property damage or injury is required to stop, provide their information, and render reasonable aid. That obligation exists regardless of who caused the collision. Leaving the scene even after minor contact is a criminal offense under Illinois law. It applies whether the other party chased you or not. The obligation to stop does not depend on fault. 625 Illinois compiled statutes. 5/11-501. Driving under the influence of alcohol. The officer documented 3 indicators of impairment: odor of alcohol, glassy eyes, and contradictory statements about the incident. Under the totality of circumstances standard, each indicator adds to probable cause. Illinois is an implied consent state. Every driver, by operating a vehicle on public roads, has already agreed to submit to chemical testing if an officer has probable cause to believe they are impaired. Refusing a breath test does not beat a DUI charge. It adds a mandatory 1-year license suspension automatic, independent of the DUI outcome. He said he would blow zero. He refused the test. The driveway stop was lawful. Officers observed him driving on the public portion of Sheridan Road before he entered the driveway. The public road observation is the jurisdictional anchor. Once an officer lawfully observes a driver on a public road, subsequent detention in a private driveway does not require a separate warrant. Illinois courts have consistently upheld this.
I'll go grab a breath test, okay?
Well, you're not going to get any of that.
Why not?
Well, because I'll just...
You just said you would blow zeros.
Come on, man. What is wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me.
Go do something that's more
I'm investigating a crime right now.
Go do something that's more important.
So.
Okay? Go do something. Look at this guy.
I know, he's a great guy.
I mean,
but I can't ignore the fact that you're driving.
I'm right here.
There was an incident involving you possibly striking somebody.
No, somebody
and I smell alcohol in your breath. So what do you want to do about that?
You're going to have to do whatever you want, all right? So, I'm going in here.
Well, right now you're staying right here. You're not going anywhere.
Oh, I am.
No, you're
going
not.
Right.
Okay.
Christ.
You're being detained right now. So you're not free to go in your house. Okay, you got to stay right here.
All right. So what I'll do...
You just stay right here.
No,
lean up against your car. Yep. That's what you're going to do.
No, we're not going to do anything like that.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Why are you doing this?
Okay. You say you had nothing to drink, but you don't want to give a breath test?
Sir.
So do you want to do some field sobriety tests?
Just stop it.
You don't tell me to stop it. Okay?
God damn.
Mr. Hart.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Great dog.
Yeah. There's nothing going on. Except
there is something going on.
Except for what's going on down there.
Please, okay?
Oh my God. You're really doing this.
Doing what?
Look at you.
552 from 551.
I really can't believe this.
Sit right here.
No, I'm not going to sit anywhere. Don't touch
right
me.
There.
Don't touch me.
I have the right to touch you if you don't stay where I tell you to do, okay? So if you want to go in cuffs, I can put you in cuffs if you don't want to listen.
Jeez. What? Don't you have anything else to do tonight?
This is my call. This is my responsibility. Is you right now.
For what?
So, for the thing I told you like 5 times already. Can you not remember what I told you?
No, I don't.
Okay, well that's an issue then.
No,
why can't you remember what I told you?
Because I don't understand what you're talking about. So somebody hit me.
Okay, well they said you hit them. So that's why we're investigating, okay?
I'm going to have to get my...
No, you're staying right here. Don't touch anything, okay? You stay right there.
You know what? I really want to get this... you guys don't have any...
I'm going to check your eyes, okay? Do you wear contacts?
You guys don't have... Yes.
You wear contacts?
Yes.
Hard or soft lenses?
Doesn't make a difference.
Okay. Follow my finger with your eyes only.
51.
Keep your head still.
I am.
Do you understand the instructions? Do you understand the instructions, sir?
Get your fucking face out of here, man. What are you doing? You have other things to do.
No, I don't. This is it right now.
This is it.
All right.
Congratulations.
Do you want to cooperate or not, sir?
What's cooperation? I
don't
even know what it is.
I'm going to check your eyes.
Well, then what's going to happen?
Okay.
No, I'm not.
You don't want to do any of that?
Nope. I mean, what's going to happen?
Okay.
So what do you want to do? I'm going inside my house.
You're not going anywhere right now.
Actually, fucking a guy that hit me. Max. How? You gotta... Yeah. Max. How? What is the problem, man?
How much have you had to drink?
Nothing. Not a fucking thing.
All right, you want to do some field sobriety tests?
Well, I'm right here in my house.
You're not in your house. You're out in your driveway, and I saw you driving, so it doesn't matter if you're in your driveway
Come
or
on.
on the street. All right?
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, my God.
This is Max. Hi, Max. I don't know if you want to put him and see if you can put him in the backyard or something.
Nope. Don't touch that dog.
Well, we got to do something with the dog. All right?
Yep. I mean, if you want to do that, I mean, if you guys want to have an issue,
so it's up
that's
to you.
fine.
So, because if you come back to the station with me...
Well, I'm right here in my house.
You're not in your house, okay?
What?
You're not in your house.
No, I didn't say that I was in my house.
That's what you said.
No, I did not say. No, I did not. I said I'm here at my house.
Agree to disagree.
God damn. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? I mean,
You want to do some field sobriety
I'm right
testing or
here.
not?
I am right here. God damn you guys.
You want to do some field sobriety testing or not?
No,
No?
I'm not going to do anything.
Okay.
Do you guys want to... What do you guys want to do? You guys want to be crushed? Do you want to... What's the issue? Don't you have something else to do?
No. Nope.
You don't have anything else to do.
Right here.
So no cats in a no tree or anything like that? That's great. Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Do
You
what?
want to do it? Yep. Yep.
Right,
Let's do it right. Hey, don't touch me.
I'm going to touch you.
Do not touch me.
Okay.
I didn't
Put you in.
Hey, listen to me, guys. Jesus Christ. You touched
down
me
the ground.
many people. Nope. Okay, fuck.
Relax. Just get the dog. Yep. I got him.
There's the dog. Take your time. I cannot believe
Relax.
you people
Relax.
don't have
Relax.
anything else. You know what? Fuck you.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Just relax. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay.
Get him up. Reach it up all over, okay?
There we go. Christ. You guys should all... So...
One up from 551.
So... No.
That is my hat.
No, that was my hat.
That was his hat.
No. But you should put it on me because that's where it should be.
One in custody, 1055.
Jesus Christ, you guys! What the fuck is wrong with you? This is.
Hey, what do you want to do with the dog? Is there somewhere we can take him?
Nope. Just let him loose. Yep. Just let him
We
loose.
gotta take him to the
I cannot
the animal
believe
hospital then,
this
all right?
is fucking happening.
You got anything on you? That I need to know about? Any weapons on you?
Are you trying to? Look at you, fucking people. What the fuck is wrong with you people?
Mr. You're under arrest right now.
Jesus
so-
Christ!
so
For
relax. Driving under the influence of alcohol.
what? But for what?
I just told you twice. We check these. Make sure they're not too tight for you. Okay.
No. Make sure they're really tight because I'm gonna actually just blow it out.
PD go to that address.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself.
All right, listen. I'm gonna put you in the back of the squad. All right. Your dog's gonna have to go to the animal hospital unless you tell us where we can put him.
No, just let him loose.
No, he's not going to loose.
Yep, let him loose. You know what? Hey! Okay, let's see all these people. Now, you know what you got down here? You have a meth lab. You know what? For what?
Get in the car, you're under arrest. Now it's going to be resisting if you keep screwing around. Get in the car.
Keep screwing around. I didn't do anything in the first place.
Get in the car.
You fucking asshole. God damn! Oh, God damn it! There you go. You got it. You switch your legs in. Jesus Christ! You stupid fuck.
The officer gets an A. He documented probable cause in sequence: odor of alcohol, glassy eyes, self-contradictory statements about the hit and run, refusal of field sobriety tests after 4 separate requests. He explained the implied consent consequence before the arrest. He offered the field sobriety test 4 times. He waded through the taxpayer argument, the reputation argument, and the dog. Under Illinois versus Gates and standard DUI protocol, each element he documented was a separate basis for arrest. The attitude didn't affect the outcome. He ignored it correctly. Yon gets a D. He denied the hit and run, then described it in enough detail to confirm it happened. He refused every test designed to give him a chance to demonstrate sobriety. He invoked his property taxes as a legal defense. In Illinois, a driver has no legal right to refuse a chemical test after lawful arrest without triggering the automatic suspension. He refused. The suspension attaches regardless of how the DUI charge resolves. He was arrested in his own driveway in front of his golden retriever while telling the officer he had other things to do. 9 charges. His dog went to the animal hospital. 3 takeaways. 1. In Illinois, the duty to stop after an accident is unconditional. It applies even if the other driver was at fault. Even if they chased you, and even if the only damage was to their property. 2. Refusing the breath test is not a winning strategy. Illinois implied consent law adds a 1-year automatic suspension on top of any other outcome. The refusal creates its own penalty. 3. The taxpayer argument has never succeeded in any jurisdiction as a legal defense to DUI, resisting arrest, or any other charge. Paying taxes funds public services. It does not fund personal exceptions. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam analysis. Drop a comment. Is the taxpayer argument the most common thing said in Bodycam footage? We'll see you in the next one.